listen, prevention is better than cure. You can do all of this in under 15 minutes. Trust me. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Mo. If you are new to my channel, welcome and subscribe. And if you've been on my channel before, welcome back. Hope you've subscribed to my channel. So today's video is very essential. It's how to sanitize your house the right way. So the reason why I decided to do this video is because a lot of people keep going out. I mean, the instructions was to stay home by all means necessary. But of course, people have things to do like grocery shopping, taking their dogs for a walk. Essential workers like healthcare providers, they have to go to work, so they have to go outside. And a lot of times you can easily bring those germs and those viruses into your house, and we don't want you to get sick. We are actually trying to flatten the curve. So this video is detailing all the essential things you need to do to sanitize your house. Alright, so to begin sanitizing your house, the first thing you should do is wash your hands. The best soap to use is antiseptic soap, antibacterial soap. Wash your hands thoroughly. Make sure you wash every part of it in between your hands, all around. Massage the soap into your skin, then rinse it off with water. Let all the bacteria, all the virus just wash off into the sink. Okay, let's stay clean. So once you're done, go ahead and put on your gloves. I would suggest to use disposable gloves, but of course, if you don't have disposable gloves, you can use latex gloves. The reason why I like to use disposable gloves is once it's done cleaning, and throw it in the trash. You're going to have to clean the door handle and the light switches. So to clean your doorknobs, grab an all-purpose cleaner, spray that bad boy on the door handle, wipe it off so you can wipe off all the dust or dirt that could have been on there before you then sanitize it. So to sanitize it, use a disinfectant wipe. So take a sheet and just wipe the handle in and out, the sides, and even your main lock that you lock at nighttime. Clean it all. And then for the light switches, same routine, and make sure you wipe all the light switches in your house. And then we'll move to the kitchen. For the kitchen, it's very, very essential because that's where you buy groceries. That's where you offload groceries. That's where you do a lot of cooking. That's where you go to, like when you come from outside, most times people go into the fridge or, grab water. Like, it's very, very, very crucial that you clean your kitchen. To clean the kitchen, you need to clean the refrigerator. Make sure you clean the handle of the refrigerator, places where your hands normally touch, especially when you're putting groceries into the fridge. Also the countertop. It's very essential that you wipe the countertop thoroughly with disinfectant wipes. The cabinet handles, so every handle you have in your house, your closet handles, your cabinet handles, drawers, make sure you clean all those handles because you're forever touching them. And then another thing in the kitchen that you have to clean are your appliances. If you use your appliances to cook or to blend or to make tea or coffee, the faucet, make sure you clean them as well. And the last thing in the kitchen that's very essential is your trash can. Just wipe it down and know that it's clean and sanitized. And in the living room, the essential things to sanitize are, take a guess, the remote control. So right now you're home for the most part and you're watching TV, you're Netflix and chilling, you're sitting on your couch, you're using your computer, you're watching TV, you're playing games and consoles. It is very, very important that you sanitize your remote controls. Make sure to give it a good wipe down. And also, if you're a gamer and you have a console and you have control pads, make sure you wipe those off as well. And then don't forget your tables because you're constantly putting stuff on there, putting stuff up there. So just make sure you give it a good wipe down. And then in the bathroom, don't forget to clean the same things as the kitchen. The faucets, the flush thing, and also the faucets in the bathroom as well. For personal items, the key items that you need to be sanitizing are your phone. the one thing that could actually pass it on to you. So make sure you give your phone a good wipe down. Sanitize it. Your credit cards, make sure you wipe that too, because you're paying for stuff with your credit cards. Make sure you give it a good wipe as well. I would suggest to try not to pay with cash at this time and pay more with your card, because it's easy to clean your card compared to if you're giving cash and you're taking cash back and you're taking change back. So just make sure you either pay with card and so you can just wipe it off, or pay with the exact amount of money. Make sense? Yeah. And then laptops. If you're like me, I'm always on my laptop editing videos, watching videos, working, because work is still on, working from home. Make sure you give your laptop a good wipe down, especially the keyboard. Make sure you wipe the keyboards because you're always typing with your hand on your face. So make sure you sanitize your keyboard very well. And also make sure you clean your camera, especially if you have one, if you're a blogger, if you are a photographer. Make sure you're cleaning your camera because you're constantly touching it, and you know, the on and off buttons, settings. Just make sure you are wiping it down, sanitizing it as well. Another thing is your bag. Sometimes, you know, when we're going grocery shopping, you just put your bag over your head. You know, you take your bag with you. Just make sure you wipe your bag as well. Disinfectant wipes are a bit wet, so you don't want to put a wet thing into your closet. So just leave it and kind of let it air dry before you then put it into your closet. Make sense? Cool. And then for clothes, when you go out and you come back inside, if you feel like your clothes were exposed to the virus, like you sat on a chair or you touched somebody, the best way I would suggest is take off your clothes at the entrance of your door and put it into a bag and then tie it before you put it in the laundry basket. And my reason, you're kind of quarantining your clothes before you then put it into the washing machine. And when you do put it in the washing machine, make sure the washing machine is set on warm or hot. Wash your clothes with warm and hot water. It's known to kill dirt, viruses, bacteria, all that fun stuff. Oh, and then letters, your mail. What's out there is that the virus can sit on paper for 3 hours or more. So I quarantined my letter for 5 days. I know, 3 hours, 5 days. Listen, prevention is better than cure. So what I do is I quarantine my letters. After a safe amount of days, I then open them up with gloves on. As I'm opening them, I'm trashing the cover of it where people have touched, and then if it's important, I only save what's inside. And for packages, what I do is when I get a package, I have quarantined my packages for 48 hours, and when I open it, I open the boxes outside. I do not bring the box into my house. So I could take what's inside and then I would trash the box and then wipe whatever is inside before bringing it into my house. And when you're done with your packages outside and you come back into the house, please don't forget, dispose the gloves immediately, wash your hands, and use a hand sanitizer. Boom. And then for you, if you feel like you were around a lot of people, or like for example, you go to the grocery store, you know there's a line, you're near people, close to people, you do not know who's coughing, who's sneezing, who's sick, who has touched what. So I would suggest that when you come in, just go give yourself a nice hot shower with an antiseptic soap. Those antiseptic soap that I like is Dettol. I've been using it since my Nigerian days, and I'm telling you, you feel so clean when you come out and you put your shea butter on it. Girl, you clean, and that's all that matters. Yes. And please, I want to remind you, prevention is better than cure. So please try your best to prevent yourself from being exposed to this virus. All right, guys, thanks for watching. And if you think I missed out on anything you should be sanitizing, let me know in the comment box below. Thanks again for watching. Share this with your loved ones. Share this with your friends so that they can sanitize their house as well. So go on out of here, go sanitize your house, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.